Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my full wash day routine and how I bring my hair back to life from being dry to having nice, moisturized, beautiful curls. First thing I'm doing is letting my hair soak under the water for a while. I've had my hair in a ponytail style for about a week and a half, so it was very dry and frizzy, so I just want to make sure it gets as much moisture as possible. Today I'll be using Raw Sugar's The Truly Unruly Shampoo. This is my first time using this shampoo. I saw it at my local Target and decided to give it a try. I've been wanting to use more of natural products lately, so I just went ahead and picked this up. This shampoo has avocado, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary oil, which is really good for the hair. I know my hair is dry, so I really needed that apple cider vinegar for my scalp because my scalp does get flaky. For the first cleanse, I'm just making sure I really get the product into my scalp so I could get it as clean as possible. I had a lot of product and buildup in my hair from all the products that I use for my ponytail style, so I couldn't tell if the shampoo was working or not the first cleanse that I did. When I got to the second cleanse, that's when I could really tell the shampoo was working because my hair was softer and my scalp did feel more clean. So I went in with the second cleanse now, and now you can see the product really starting to work on my hair because I got all that junk off of it. So I'm going to make sure I go through my scalp one more time just to ensure that it's extra clean, and then I'll go throughout the rest of my hair and clean the ends. After rinsing my hair out, you could see that my curls are more defined and I have a nice shine. This is the Healing Power hair mask. This mask has avocado oil, banana, coconut milk, and agave. I really like this mask because it's super thick and you don't need a lot to apply to your hair. I was able to get one scoop on my finger and use that throughout my hair. And once I applied the mask, my hair instantly became really smooth. So I'm just applying the mask throughout my hair, and while I have the mask on, I'm also going to do a hot oil treatment. I like to do these at the same time. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Oil. It has 5 different oils in it. I believe it's grapeseed, olive, argan, castor oil, and something else. I forgot the last one. So I'm just going to continue putting the oil in my scalp and massaging my scalp to help blood circulation for hair growth. Then I'll start detangling. When I'm done detangling, I throw my hair in a bun and I just put a shower cap on and let the product sit for about 30 minutes. I do believe the mask said that you only need 5 to 10, but I did leave mine on for 30 minutes. And that's only because I didn't read the instructions, of course. After the 30 minutes, I just take everything down and I rinse my hair out. And after rinsing my hair, I'm just gonna use conditioner as the last step. So far, my thoughts about these products are they are bomb. The way my hair was feeling after the fact and even during, it just felt so good, and you could see my curls are really coming back to life. I do have a couple of strands that are heat damaged because I did cut my hair back in October of 2020 into a bob sew, and I had the little china bangs, so my hair was being straightened a lot, and it just got really damaged in the front. So well, I'm working on growing it out so I could cut it little by little. Yeah, other than that, my hair looks great, it felt great, so I would really recommend you guys try this product. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let me know what products you think I should try or what you recommend. If you've tried these products before, let me know how you feel about them in the comment section below. I will also leave these products listed in the description box for anybody who is interested in trying these out. I am loving these curls, guys. They look so bomb. I'm just gonna go in with the Multi-Miracle leave-in conditioner from Raw Sugar as well. Then I'm going to go in with the double butter cream from As I Am. This cream is my favorite. I've been using this for years on my hair. And she always do me right, okay? So I'm just gonna put that in, and this will be the last step for me. I don't really plan on doing much with my hair, but leaving it out for the next few days. Probably put it up in a bun. I'm not one to do much with my natural hair, especially with the heat damage that I have, so I'm just gonna leave it be. And this is the finished look of the curls. I hope you guys enjoyed my wash day routine, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.